Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to show you a new knot. It's called the double half hitch knot. You see this right here, this line I have across? That is made using double half hitch knots. And what I like about that is, first of all, it makes it look very just tight and neat across the top of your work. It does secure it even more so that your lark's head knots, they're not going to come undone. It's a very, very secure way to do it. Also, if you want to incorporate lines into your design, like more modernized macrame, that definitely would instantly do it. You can curve lines, you can go any direction you want. Double half hitch knots are all about the tension and the direction of the lead string, which I'll tell you what that means. Okay, so we're gonna actually do it over here though. All right, so we're gonna use this left string as our lead string, and it's gonna be the one that is going across. Through, let me move it over here. Okay, so this is the lead cord that's been used. And I, put it through all the way across, and it came out this end. Okay, this is just overhang on the left, but it came across. So it's basically just being wrapped around, and it's being woven. Okay, so this is our lead cord, and then these ones are going to go around. So the next one in line is this one. And you're going to do this. Now, does this look familiar at all? The 4. Okay, so remember that. So this one, always keep over to the side in the direction you want your line to go. Okay, now if you want a straight line, it'd be better to keep it more like this, right? Versus that. Okay, as you get better practiced. Okay, so you can do it like that if you really want to keep it up there and rest your finger on there. Okay, but picture that 4. It's the same thing if it's like this or like that. It's still like that 4. And then that goes through. Okay, and then this. That's the first one. Okay, it's called double half hitch because you did a half of it. And then you do the other half. There, that's secured there. Okay. All right, next. You always keep this one going to the right, so you don't want to mix it up and cross the other ones over. This one's going this way. These ones cross over it. See that? And you want to make sure you pull enough and you move it over. You do it again. It's the repeat of the exact same thing again. I'm not doing anything differently. Just making sure to keep that tension there. Okay, and the next one in line. So it goes up like that and it goes through. And then it rides on that cord. You push it over, make sure it lines up. Don't forget to do it again. Each cord does it twice. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now you've got your straight line. Okay, now you could just do some other thing with it now, or you could decide, cool, I want to do a design. I'm going to show you how this is all about tension. Now, you want this to come to the left this time. But you might not. Either way, you're going to have to go left if you're going to use this cord. So you could either want to just go back this way and make another line. You could do a diagonal. Let's do a diagonal for fun. I'm not going to do, it's not doing anything different in the actual knotting. It's just the tension and the angle. So still that 4. It's just that when this has to be to the left of it, because you're going left, it's like a backwards 4, you know? And then you bring the cord through the loop. Okay. So I'm wanting to go to diagonal, so I'm keeping this string at the diagonal the whole time. I keep a pretty tight rein on it. Okay. Okay. Pay attention to your tension. Look at these little guys in here. If they look like saggy, you're not holding it with enough tension. There's different ways you can do things, and I mean, you know, as time goes on, it's going to be like, yeah, I can do whatever I want. You can have tension, you can tension in there, no tension. Yeah, because it's art, but I'm telling you the basics, and you know, if you're doing it textbook, when you get creative, then you do whatever the heck you want, right? There you go. Okay, so that's cool. And like, you can see how you could zigzag all the way down or whatever you want to do, you know, make a Z, whatever. But that's neat. And then you could do things in between too. You could say, well, and I want to switch now and do something else, you know, and you can start doing square knots or something like that. And then you could go back to doing something else. But the point is that the double half hitches, in my view, really help you direct your piece. I use them quite a bit. And as I'm going to, after I teach you guys these, I'm going to do a project and let you guys kind of watch and go along. But I really wanted you to know what the knots are that I would be using, so you would understand what I'm doing. All right, I went over my 5 minutes, but I wanted to really show you that. Cool, huh? See you next time.